A gold IRA, what is it? An individual retirement account, IRA, that lets you invest in actual gold is known as a gold IRA. As a result, you are permitted to acquire gold coins, bars, or other forms of bullion and store them in your IRA. Gold IRAs are a means to protect your money from inflation and diversify your retirement portfolio. How does a rollover from a 401k to a gold IRA work? The act of moving money from a 401k account to a gold IRA is known as a rollover. There are two ways to accomplish this, directly or indirectly. Straight rollover. The simplest way to transfer your 401k to a gold IRA is through a direct rollover. Direct rollovers include the direct transfer of money from your 401k to your gold IRA. This indicates that you won't ever need to touch the money and that the rollover is tax-free. You must speak with both the administrator of your gold IRA and your 401k plan in order to perform a direct rollover. The administrator of your gold IRA will require a check from your 401k plan. The money will subsequently be deposited into your gold IRA account. Reverse rollover. Compared to a direct rollover, an indirect rollover is a little more challenging. In an indirect rollover, your 401k plan administrator will first send you a check. The money must then be deposited into your gold IRA account within 60 days. You will incur taxes and penalties if you don't deposit the money into your gold IRA account within 60 days. You must get in touch with both your gold IRA provider and the administrator of your 401k plan in order to perform an indirect rollover. A check made out to you will be issued by the 401k plan administrator. After that, you'll have 60 days to deposit the money into your gold IRA account. The procedures for transferring your 401k to a gold IRA. The steps for rolling over your 401k to a gold IRA are as follows. Find a trustworthy custodian and open a gold IRA account. There are numerous gold IRA providers, so it's crucial to conduct your research and pick one with a good reputation. Find a supplier with a solid reputation, reasonable rates, and a large assortment of gold items. In order to seek a direct rollover or an indirect rollover, get in touch with the administrator of your 401k. The optimum rollover option for you will be disclosed by your 401k plan administrator. They must write a check made out to your gold IRA provider if you are arranging a direct rollover. They must issue a check made out to you if you are performing an indirect rollover. Your gold IRA provider will deposit the monies into your account if you are performing a direct rollover. You have 60 days to put the money into your gold IRA account if you're executing an indirect rollover. You can begin investing in gold once the money has been deposited into your gold IRA account. Through your gold IRA provider, you can purchase gold bars, coins, or bullion. Investing in gold mining companies or ETFs is another option. Things to take into account before transferring your 401k to a gold IRA. A few things should be taken into account before converting your 401k to a gold IRA. These consist of fees. Converting your 401k to a gold IRA will cost you money. Depending on the gold IRA provider you select, these costs may change. Taxes. If you do not perform a direct rollover, you may be required to pay taxes on the rollover. Investing limitations. Gold IRAs have several investing limitations. You cannot, for instance, invest in jewelry or numismatic coins. Gold IRAs are less liquid than conventional IRAs in terms of liquidity. This implies that if you need the money, it can be more challenging to sell your gold investments. Is it advisable to transfer your 401k to a gold IRA? It is up to you to decide whether or not to transfer your 401k to a gold IRA.